Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Guys, I'm going to share with you story about my appearance guys. I was in the gym and now it's time to come home and prepare dinner. So guys, we're going to be having salmon. I will be having some asparagus and broccoli. My supermarket was out of fresh cauliflower. I like to buy it frozen, but they didn't have that either. So at least I buy the fresh one. I chop it up really good and I put it in my freezer and it'll last me. So guys, and also I will be having a piece of sweet potato. And my husband will be having white potato. And he will also be having fish. All right, guys. And of course, I will be adding some spices like lemon. I will be adding also onions and peppers, which that tells me I gotta get my peppers out of the freezer. So guys, oh, and also I will be adding some fresh garlic. I cook with garlic powder, but when it comes to my fish and my asparagus, I like to add some fresh garlic. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you guys right there, and I'm gonna come back at you. My husband wants his potato boiled and then baked, so I'm gonna put his potato to boil. So I will be doing the same thing with mine, so it will be done quicker. But after that, I will bake him a little bit with some herbs and spices. I will be right back. Let me get myself situated. Guys, and this is a collaboration, Getting Back on Track, Fit for Life. Guys, this is hosted, the main host is the Great Life DIY, and then also Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, which is Melissa, At Home with Lisa, and myself, Deborah Cabassa. Guys, this is an open collaboration. Anybody can participate, either by watching or by sharing your meals. You know, a lot of people, they're at home and they feel like, oh, I don't have anybody to do exercise with. I don't have anybody to share recipes. Guys, these recipes that we are giving you, they are free. And you could utilize them in your own lifestyle. If you are a meat eater, it doesn't matter. Guys, a lot of people ask me that I said that I am a pescatarian, but I'm still eating eggs and I'm still eating turkey bacon. Guys, I am a pescatarian. I am not a full pescatarian. I don't eat chicken. I do cook. You guys might see me sharing a dinner that I'm cooking. My husband is a big eater. My son, my grandson, my daughter. So when you guys see me cooking a big pork shoulder or a fried chicken or baked chicken, it's because my family will be coming over. But the only two types of meat that I like to eat is turkey, and I do eat my boiled eggs or my egg on the stove. Those are the only two types of meat that I eat. So you could say that I'm a pescatarian because I eat all types of food, shrimps, anything that have to do with seafood, I eat it. I started doing this about 7 to 9 years ago. But yeah, guys, I am not going to take it to the extreme. There is somebody, if I go to somebody's house and they make turkey and they're like, oh, you want a piece of turkey? I'm not going to be rude and say no. I mean, it's not that I'm going to be rude, but I'm not going to say no because I do eat turkey. Guys, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to get my onions and my stuff. I'm going to put my fish in my aluminum foil. I'm going to make little pouches. So that's how I cook my fish. Guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here I got my asparagus. I took one fish fillet and I cut it in half because that's plenty for my husband and I. I got his potato here. I'm going to bake them. I don't want to boil them. I think it's healthier when you bake them. I have the onions here. I've already put salt and pepper on the fish. I'm going to add garlic to that. I gotta cut my piece of potato. From that potato, I get 3 meals, guys. Just to let you know. So, and my husband doesn't like his potato to take sweet, so I have to wrap mine separate. I'm gonna be putting my onions in top of the fish, and I don't have any lemon. Unfortunately, I ran out of lemon, so but that's fine because my husband didn't want any anyway. So I'm gonna add some peppers, and then I'm gonna come at you with a little bit of more progress through the dinner, and of course I will be adding some garlic to it, which I am doing that. I'm gonna add more peppers and more black pepper, and I'm gonna add some green and yellow pepper. Guys, when you make your food with colorful, so you know it doesn't look so bland, and you don't even want to eat it. You could get some healthy food with color, and that makes you want to eat it. And remember, guys, like I say, you used to serve yourself a lot. You could either break the meal, like couple of like don't sit down on one shot and eat you a big meal. You know what I mean? Because when you sit down on one shot and you eat a big meal, so then a couple of hours later you're gonna be hungry. You're gonna eat another full meal, and that's how come you take so many extra calories that your body do not need to function. Remember, all you need is from 1,600 to 2,000 calories per day. So guys, also like for an example, I'm gonna be cooking this. I will show you what I will be eating out of it. Like right now, this is going to be my full meal because it is 6 p.m. and actually, guys, I had a hectic day today and I have not eaten, so I need to at least put at least 600 calories on my body today, which I have not even done yet. All I actually had was a piece of chocolate, and that's because I was jittery. So guys, let me finish putting this together and I'll come right back. Well, guys, I'm going to clean this mess up, and then I'm gonna come back at you with the food and the plate. Guys, you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions on the bottom of the video, in the comment section. Yeah, guys, so I decided not to boil the potatoes. I decided just to bake everything. It's healthier that way. When you bake the potatoes, you lose a lot of nutrients. And the best way, if either you're going to boil something, steam it, but I don't want to steam it because then this is a small apartment and windows get all foggy and stuff. So yeah, guys, so I'm just baking them. I'm gonna come at you and show you my plate setting. I'm gonna set it on a plate for you guys and show you, and then after that my husband and I are gonna have dinner. Guys, stay tuned for this video is before that video, unfortunately. Yeah, the next video is for tomorrow. It's called Decorate My Space. But anyways, guys, like I said, you have any questions, just ask me. And yeah, so you could split your meal. Like you have a big breakfast and you get up early in the morning and you are the person that they have to have a big breakfast. Just you get up in the morning with your coffee or whatever you drink, split that breakfast in half, and then you could have, like, you get up at 7, so you could have some of the breakfast at 7. Instead of making it all at one time, you make it fresh. Now, if you are the type of person that you have to eat before you go to work early in the morning, you could make your breakfast, pack half of it, and then eat half at home. So like that, you don't have to go out of your way and buy something that is out of the house and it has more calories. And I know that you get a 15-minute break after a certain amount of hours, and then you get your lunch, so you could have in your 15-minute break, you could have the rest of your breakfast, And then also pack yourself a lunch. When you eat out, you really don't know what you are eating, you know, and how much you are eating. Once you make your dinners at home and you pack them and you take them with you to work, you know how much you're eating and what are your intakes. I used to do that, guys. And believe me, guys, I managed a restaurant for 22 years. And that's what I always did. I packed my lunch. At the beginning, I was not packing my lunch. And let me tell you, I was eating from the restaurant and it was a disaster. I found myself being tired. I said, oh my God, but we're so tired. And I was overweight. So I started packing my lunch at home. I started training. First, I started by walking. Then I walk a distance. I make a long walk. But that's a whole nother video, guys. If you want tips on how to get moving. Also, you guys ask me if you want an exercise routine. There is a video that I did I think a month and a half back. That's one of my exercise routine. If you want an exercise routine sitting on the chair, ask me. I could do that for the next Fit for Life video. Yeah, guys. So because a lot of people, they cannot walk, so you need exercise to do on a chair. That's how you're gonna get started, because that's how I got started, guys. I started doing exercise sitting on the chair until I was able to get up, and then I said, okay, now I could do this, and I kept going, guys. And once you come to see, you drop your weight fast. But yeah, guys, and also do not eat out of bottom. A lot of people eat because they are bored and they don't have nothing to do. Grab a book if you're bored. Go for a walk. Go sit outside. If you have a pet, go outside. Sit in the porch with your dog. I mean, just do something. You know, trying to eat healthy snacks. Anyway, guys, I'm babbling away here, but that's the way that I could actually tell you about my experiences and help you. Yeah, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna come back to you with the plate at the end of the video. Well, guys, our meals are done. You guys can see this is my plate: fish with the onions and peppers, sweet potatoes, and broccoli and asparagus. That's my plate. And then my husband has his potatoes with green beans and his fish and onions and peppers. Guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.